So let's move on to Walter Russell's
Yes,
periodic
periodic.
table.
Okay, I love this. I love this. Walter, Terence got it uh, almost properly, completely, but missed the point that the pivotal element is a carbon on the 26th position. And
Yep.
all elements before the carbon are compressing elements. And all elements are that different state of carbon. And then after carbon, expanding states of carbon. There is a compression until carbon and expansion after the carbon. And you see here at the very end, plutonium and other radioactive elements, which are expanding with almost speed of light, so fast and penetrating everything and destroying everything. Radioactivity. But what is interesting also and not understood well is the seed of all creation are inert gases, noble gases. There are 9: alpha non, beta non, gamma non, not known before Walter published it, but then helium, neon, xenon, argon, krypton, and these are just to understand that around the sun there is a lot of helium, and they don't understand why. It's a seed of everything inert gases. Everything starts with that inert gases. In that inert gases recorded the idea of desire to create, let's say, tree, as you ask. So the importance of the seed is amazing, undescribable. Everything starts with the seed. Seed is an imagined pattern. And gravity compresses cold space into hot matter, starting from the seed and expanding back into seed so that the process can continue again, compression expansion from seed through the matter back to the seed. And a beautiful example would be to take fruit flies under microscope and to record all the stages from the imagined ring, the first thickness, everything else, the small body appearing from nothing. I don't have that microscope. There are laboratories in the world who have a powerful microscope, multiplying many million times. They can do it and show the whole humanity how that fruit fly appears from nothing, from the seed. We all know that fruit flies appear from the ripe fruit when they're rotten fruits, and when it is hot. If we put it under microscope, which magnifies many million times, we can record the first thickness formation of that 3D body until all stages, until it flies, and show the whole world that it starts from imagined rings and develops 3D form. See, this is so amazingly important. We can actually create anything starting from the seed. Create our own seed, record it in the vacuum, and magnify it with the use of control of gravity, and magnify it 4,096 times using octave principle of multiplication. Explained by Walter. Terence also realized it. In simple words, let's say I was working on that project for many years, for a decade, creating a seed of an electric current, let's say 10 kilowatts. It's a not big power. 10 kilowatts, that's a small power. But then record it in the vacuum and magnified it 4,000 times. Then you get 40 megawatts. Wow. And that is about changing the concept of electric power. No central station power, big power station, and then transport and maintenance and everything else. Everybody create electric power there where it is needed in amount which is needed. Let's say you need 100 kilowatts for your house to heat, to cool, to everything else. You get a small unit, which is no more big than a cube of a half meter. And then you are independent. There is no maintenance. And that is changing in the concept absolutely amazingly. But when I got information that they got rid of Tesla, when he started to experiment with it, I stopped it. And now I have a big experience and I have knowledge and I have information that there are conscious companies on this planet, companies with the leaders who are conscious and who are interested in making benefits for the whole humanity, not just in gaining billions in their own pockets, but literally serve the goodness. And if it appears that they hear this, they can contact me and we can realize.
I'm sure they will, because everyone would love to be disconnected from the grid and be self-sufficient.
He said, that's simple. He said, that's simple. Let me make it further. In one step, you get 40 megawatts. In the next step, you multiply 4,000 times. You get 160 gigawatts. The most powerful nuclear power plant here on the planet is 27 gigawatts. So you get 6 times more in 2 simple steps. Right. That would be probably something for Elon Musk.